My teacher just assigned a research paper, and my topic is the Titanic. I'll use my research organizer to organize all my research. Everything is in one place, and all the steps are listed here, so I won't forget anything. Step 1. Develop research questions. Well, I know a little bit about the Titanic, like that it was a ship, sailed a long time ago, and hit an iceberg and sank, but I really don't know a whole lot more. I'm not sure what exactly I would write about. I need to learn a little bit more about the Titanic before I can come up with my research questions. An encyclopedia will give me some background information. So I go to Encyclopedia Britannica, and here I found a short, easy article on the Titanic. The article talks about the ship itself, the passengers, what happened the night of the sinking, and salvage efforts. So from learning that, I think I can come up with my research questions now. My first question will be, what was the Titanic? My second question will be, how and why did it sink? And my third question will be, who were the passengers? And I'd like to get some survivors' stories in there. Even though the encyclopedia article didn't mention it, I think that'd be a really cool thing to add. Step 2, identify sources. This is where I think about all the possible resources and decide which ones will be the best ones to answer the research questions I just developed. So, I'll use the encyclopedia article I just read, a book from the library, and a website, because I think a website might be a good place to find some stories from actual. Step 3. This is where I cite my sources. I do this before I start taking notes so I don't forget. The encyclopedia article, like other articles in databases, already has the citation done. So I just click the cite icon, make sure MLA style is selected because that's what I need, and then I just copy the citation, paste in the citation, and then I'm all done. Now I'm ready for step 4, extract relevant information, or in other words, take notes. I have to remember to be focused and only take notes on information that answers one of my research questions. Stick with me. Remember, this is the very last step. Here's my encyclopedia article. I'm going to start out focusing on the first paragraphs. Okay, so it was an ocean liner that sank April 15th, 1912. And I have a 1 in front of it because it answers research question 1, which is about the ship. The question, was the Titanic? My next note, that it hit an iceberg, helps to answer question 2, how and why did it sink? So this note has a 2 in front of it. My next 2 notes are about the ship itself. Since they answer question 1, both those notes also have a 1 in front of them.